Hello everyone, this is Pramasha once again before you. I hope you all are fine and we are fine as well. In this video, Pankaj sir will ask me some questions. I will try to answer the questions properly. Please sir, you can start.
Okay, Pramani, thank you very much for giving me a chance to ask you some questions. So, do you have any choice?
No sir, you can ask me any types of questions.
Okay, thank you very much, Pramani. So, I had better ask you some questions about music. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, dear viewers. So, let's get started. Okay, do you like music?
Yes, I like music.
What kind of music do you like?
I like any kind of music such as classical music, folk music, Robindra Sangeet, Nazrul Sangeet, Bhattiali, Bhawan and so on.
Okay. Who is your favorite singer?
My favorite singer is Arjit Singh.
Okay. I also like Arjit Singh most. When do you usually listen to music?
I usually listen to music in my free time.
Okay. So, do you listen to music in rainy days?
Of course, I cannot but listen to music in rainy days.
Oh my god, you listen to music in rainy days?
Yes.
So, can you play any musical instrument?
Yes, I can play the guitar.
Oh my god, you can play the guitar.
Yes.
So, is it easy to learn music?
I think it's easy to learn if you are consistent and committed, but it requires a lot of practice.
Thank you very much, Pramani, for helping me in this video. And dear viewers, I hope you have enjoyed the full video very much. If you have any question, don't forget to comment below as much as you can. If you like the video, don't forget to share it on your Facebook. Maybe your brothers and sisters want to learn English but they can't. No problem. I'm making this video and this video will help them a lot. I will see you with a new video some other time. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye. আশা করছি আমাদের ছোট্ট ভিডিওগুলো আপনাদের উপকারে আসছে। এরকম ধরনের আরো ভিডিও পেতে আমাদের পাশেই থাকুন, আমাদের চ্যানেলকে সাবস্ক্রাইব করে। ঘরে বসে চমৎকারভাবে ইংরেজি শিখতে এখনই অর্ডার করে ফেলুন আমাদের এই মনের মাঝে ইংলিশ বইটি।
To learn more English, order this book right now.
Okay, I will see you with a new video some other time. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye
Bye bye.